Hi everyone, welcome to a new project. We are going to be making a mini album using passages from Blue Fern Studios, and this is a project for Scrap and Create. You can get all your supplies there. There's a link below. I had 2 of the 12 by 12, 1 of the 8 by 8, and the ephemera pack and the journal cards. You can see I used some of the ephemera here on the cover. This is a cut apart. The album is 7 3/4 by about 5 3/4. That's the cover size with a 2-inch spine. It has a 2-tone cover in the craft and the black. The spine I have left plain. The back has pattern paper with a piece of seam binding under it, and that seam binding is tied to a Tim Holtz clip, and some charms are hung from it using a garment pin or a bulb pin, whatever you call it. All right, so in this album, what I've done, let me give you the page size. The pages are 7.5 by 5.5, and I have used a technique on the pages, or a design, I don't know how to put it. Let me just show you. On the odd numbered pages, so 1, 3, 5, and 7, they all look alike. They all have this configuration of flaps, but inside the flaps they're all different. So you'll see that as we go. Now, inside front cover, now I did use 2 of the Graphic 45 ATC size cards, that's these, and then further along I used 2 of the regular, all in the craft. Tighten those. So that's those, and this is a layered pocket, and then I have just a little card with some matted with some scraps, front and back, and some flaps. These are the cut aparts that are on them. And then in the upper pocket, or the back pocket, we have a photo mat that's fully matted with a belly band on it. And in the belly band is another photo mat and a journal card. And this album is fully matted. All of the inserts, the side pocket inserts, everything is fully matted with pattern paper. So I used pretty much all the paper. I have a couple of sheets left and some scraps, and that's it. Let's go ahead and put these in. And these open, by the way, I don't know if you noticed, one flap this way and one flap that way. Okay, so now page 1 opens like this. This is actually not the page, but a flap. So that opens, and we have this beautiful map of Boston. And then it opens this way, and there's a pocket, and we have a photo mat and a journal card. And this is one of the journal card packs. Okay, and then there's side pocket inserts. And there's one of them. They're all fully matted front and back. I'll pull another one out. Then on the back of this is a belly band, and in the belly band is a large photo mat and one of the journal cards again. And then this little tag, which I will show you how to make, and there's a template in the cutting guide for this project for this tag. And you'll see this later on, because the piece here was actually cut out of another piece that we're going to see further along, and then matted to make this tag. And then here we have the second of the odd numbered pages. Just opens as a vellum pocket inside and a fully matted photo mat inside. And then here's one of the side pocket inserts, again fully matted front and back. Okay, and then here, this is one of the Graphic 45 regular tags that we'll do together, and then just a couple of little flaps, and they're held, there's magnets that hold this down, and they hold those down. And then here, this opens like this, and we have a little envelope here, and it's tied shut right now, but it just has a little scrap in it. Okay, and another side pocket insert. And then here we have another tag, one of the Graphic 45 regular tags, held by a magnet there, exactly held by 2 magnets. And then this page opens up, and here's that piece I was telling you about. So we're going to make this pocket with this cut out of it. You'll have a template for that. I used a die. If you have a similar die, you can do that, or you can use the template. And then inside is a tag, and you'll have a template for this tag as well. Goes in there. And another side pocket insert. And then here we have a triangular pocket that has a photo mat, just one of the journal cards, and just a little card that we'll make. And then here in the back is a pocket with a tag that we're going to make, just a square photo mat, and a booklet fully matted. Okay, so that is that. I have still got to type up the cutting guide. Check down below if it's linked there. That means I finished it before I posted this video. If it's not there, when I post the first video on the tutorial, it will be there. I will have a link to Scrap and Create where you can get your supplies. And I guess that's it. The first video should be in another day or so, and we'll get started and make this. It's not a hard one. It's a little trickier maybe than some, but not just because of that pocket, which is a little tricky, but not bad. I'll show you, of course, how to do everything. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That really helps the channel. I really appreciate it. If you hit the notification bell, it'll be helpful to you because you'll be notified when each of the videos in the tutorial and in any of my tutorials goes live. And if you're interested in any other of my tutorials, just check out my playlist. They're all named by the paper collection. So I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit up Scrap and Create to get your supplies. Bye-bye.